Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off auto brightness on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibility. There you will find display and text size. In this, you have to do is scroll all the way up. You will see at the last option over here like auto brightness over here. So once you click on that toggle to turn this off, it's gonna be like turn off auto brightness and may affect battery life, like energy consumption, or like long-term display performance as well. So once you turn this off, it's gonna be like all the performances is on your iPhone will be good and reliable. So that's it. That's how you can turn off auto brightness on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.